Hey students, this video is to teach you how to access the 4 P's of marketing review game. This game will help you review the different things that you have learned about marketing in the previous weeks. To play this game, you're going to either highlight this link and copy it and paste it into a new tab, or you can simply just click onto the link. You will first read the directions on the game. If you come right here and click Next, it's going to give you some brief instructions. Read those, then click Next, and you're to the game. So that is number 1 is done. You need to watch this video I'm doing for you right now. Click the link. Then number 2, read the directions, which we just did. Number 3, when you're done reading the directions, the game will start. Number 4, to play the game, you will need to drag the vocab word to the correct corner, then click Submit in the bottom right corner. So if you come back to the game, this right here is the vocab word. Coupons, from what we know, from what we have learned previously, is associated with price. So you would drag coupons to price, then click Submit. It will say that's right, you selected the correct response. You then click Continue, and it'll take you to the next one. Now, restaurant billboard we know is associated with promotion because a restaurant is promoting their business by using the billboard. But let's say you thought it was price and you dragged it to price. It is going to tell you that it's incorrect. You simply just click Try Again and then drag it to the correct corner. When you are done, you will go through about 10-15 questions. You will then, at the end, receive a certificate with your score. I am not worried if you don't get a perfect score. You do not have to get 100%. Just try your hardest and you will get full credit. When you have completed the game and it gives you your score, you will open up this assignment right here that is just underneath your instructions that I'm reading, and will open up this Google Doc. All you need to do is type in your percentage, whichever you got. Now remember, it is okay if you did not get a perfect score. You may make it bigger, bold it if you'd like. You will then churn in this Google Doc on Google Classroom so I can review it and grade it for you. You do not have to worry about anything on this game as long as I have your score on your Google Doc. Submit it when you are done, then you have finished this review game and you are done with this assignment.